Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic mensuration. In the previous video, we considered an annular cylinder and we learned how to find the cross-sectional area and volume of an annular cylinder. In this video, we are going to consider a cuboid and a cube. A cuboid. The diagram we have here is an example of a cuboid. It is a box with all its sides closed. So a cuboid is a box. If we call this point here point A, we call this one here point B, point C, E, H, G and F. We can draw the same cuboid as what we have here with the point A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So we will call this point that will be formed here point D. The length from A to B is X, and the length from B to C is Y. The length from C to H is Z. For this cuboid, the length X is called the length, Y is called the breadth, and Z is called the height. So if you have a cuboid like this with these dimensions, then A to B is the length, B to C is the breadth, and C to H is the height of the cuboid. This is a cuboid. A cube is a cuboid with equal size. So if the length, breadth, and height of a cuboid are the same, then that cuboid is called a cube. If the length is equal to the breadth and is equal to the height, then the cuboid you have is a cube. Let's learn the formulas we are going to use to solve questions on cuboids. Formulas relating to cubes and cuboids. If you have a cuboid like this, just as we've seen, with the length X, breadth Y, and height Z, and all the sides of the cuboid are closed, then the total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. And the volume of the cuboid is given as x times y times z. That is the length times the breadth times the height. That gives you the volume of the cuboid. So if all the sides are closed, then the total surface area of the cuboid is 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. And the volume of the cuboid is x times y times z. If we draw a line from B to G, as we have in this diagram, this line is called the principal diagonal of the cuboid. The principal diagonal of the cuboid. And the length of this principal diagonal BG is given as square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. So if you draw a line from B to G as you have in this diagram, that line is called the principal diagonal. And the length of that line is equal to square root of the length squared plus the breadth squared plus the height squared. These are the formulas for cuboids. For cubes, we have learned that x is equal to y and is equal to z. So the total surface area for a cube is 6x squared and the volume is s cubed. Since y will be x and z will also be x, so you have x times x times x, and that will give us s cubed. In the same way, for this part, y will be x, so you have 2 times x. Both y and z will all be x, so you have 2 times x, and z will also be x, so you have 2 times x. And when you add that, you are going to get 6x squared. So the total surface area will give us 6x squared, and the volume is s cubed, where x is the length of the side of the cube. So the length of the side of the cube is x, then the total surface area is s squared, and the volume is s cubed. These are the formulas for cubes and cuboids. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to use these formulas that we've learned to solve questions on cube and cuboids. Bye bye.